So I'm gonna start by such a big box. I'm gonna start by opening the box. I'm actually gonna rest this on the floor for a moment. And the first thing that comes out is this pretty well-made Zomei or Zomei traveling case. It's huge enough to fit the light, and also it's very well made. And as I open, you can see the ring light is in there with extra padding. It came double padded. And this is the size. It's pretty huge. It has the part here for the phone holder, the camera holder. It also comes with a power cord here where you can charge it or plug it in. The on and off switch, I'm sorry for being out of view. The on and on switch is right here, and this is to adjust the lighting. It doesn't come with any extra filters like some of the other brands do. This is the only filter. I think it came with the white filter. I'm not sure if you can remove these and replace them with, I guess you can, because they do have some tabs right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. It has some tabs right around the ring right here. So I guess you can remove this and replace it with the orange filter if you choose to, or if this filter do get broken for some reason, you can replace it as well. It comes with the adjustable head right here. You can, this knob you can, I guess, turn it on and, well, screw it in tighter or loosen it. And also I got this box. Let's see. It comes with the adapter, the AC adapter that you need to plug it in. And the instruction manual. As a bonus, I got one of these mirrors. I think this is for makeup. I got an additional makeup mirror so that I can add it to the top of the ring light like this. And the connector for your phone or your, I guess, camera. And let's see what else. I got, oh, and they are showing you other products that their company do have, like video tripod, camera tripod, speed lights, ring lights, square filters, and regular filters. So it's just showing you a little pamphlet with what you can purchase off their website. And also I got this cute little purple velvet string bag, and it has, oh, so I'm guessing this wasn't for the camera. I guess this is an additional piece to put on top here. I'm not sure what this is for, but I will figure it out. But you got the part for your phone and the part for your camera. And they came in this purple velvet bag. So I'm gonna add this as well. I would figure out, I would probably look online to see exactly what this is for. So let me set it up and show you how bright it is. I forgot to share, there was one more thing in the box, and it's the tripod. It was to the bottom of the bag. I'm not sure exactly what length tripod it is, but it's pretty big. see it's adjustable. You can adjust the length of the tripod, and this is how you open it. You just pull on it and extend it down. Let me just raise the camera for a sec. So I'm just going to be using my extension cord. And I'm going to plug in the adapter. And I'm going to take the light and I'm going to place it on top of the cord here. I hope you can see. Let me bring it closer. And I'm just gonna screw it in so that it stays where it needs to be. Now I'm gonna adjust it to where I need it. I'm just gonna turn this lever here. So guys, this is me without any natural light. I closed my blinds. It just has a little bit of light that is peeking through from the front door, and this is the overall no light. I'm gonna put it on each setting and show you the difference with each setting. So this is the first setting. It's a very dim light. It's not as bright as the others. I think it has 3 settings, and also to compensate for the orange filter, it has a separate knob. The on and off button is where you can change to the different settings. It has 3 settings, and the on and off light is what you use to get whichever setting, whether it be first, second, or third, which is from the dullest to the brightest. The second button on the back, it's to get the, I guess, the orange filter look, and you can adjust that as well. So this is the first setting. Let me put it on to the second setting so you can see exactly how bright it is. So this is the second setting. It's pretty bright, and For this setting, it's actually really bright, because as you can tell, it literally brightened up everything. You can see my face clearly compared to the no lights at all, and even the first light, you were seeing my face a little, but it wasn't as bright as it is now. So I'm really impressed with this so far. Let me put it onto the third setting, and then also I would do the other filters it has as well. So this is the brightest that this can go. It's really and super bright. As you can tell, you can clearly see my face and every aspect of everything inside this room. I am super impressed, guys. I am super impressed. This is my first ring light, my first purchase of my ring light for my channel and for other stuff I would be doing. And for the price that I paid for it, it's pretty darn good for the price. The only problem I have, it doesn't come with a Bluetooth shutter so that you can adjust the lighting or even put on and off your phone with it. So that's the only downside to it, that you have to get up and readjust each setting as you see fit. Let me go to the filters and show you what those look like. So this is the warm tone filter, I guess, that if that's what it's called, but it's also adjustable to the normal filter, which is the white light. It's adjustable, so whatever setting you have it on for the white light, the yellow light, it's gonna be as bright and cool tone as how it is right now. So this is the highest I had it on the white filter, so I just put it on to the yellow filter just as bright. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. I just want to apologize for one thing, for not posting for the past couple of months. It's been really hectic here for me in the Caribbean. My laptop battery had died. I'm waiting for a replacement battery, so I can't do anything on my laptop, and I'm trying to work out how to edit my videos on my phone. I do have a lot of videos back up to edit, and I'm trying to work that out. So I'm trying to put this out as soon as possible. So probably when you would be seeing this video is when everything is up and running. I just want to apologize in advance and let you guys know I was like fish out of water, not speaking to you and not posting anything for you guys. I really do appreciate and love you guys a lot, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.